Got a new iPhone, but still have all your favorite songs on your Honor phone? Don't worry, moving music across systems isn't as hard as it seems. In this video, we'll show you 5 easy ways to transfer music from Honor to iPhone so you can enjoy your playlists right away. Way 1. Transfer music from Honor to iPhone with phone transfer. Switching your music library from Honor to iPhone can feel tricky, but phone transfer makes it surprisingly simple. This software is designed to help you transfer, manage, and back up files between phones and computers. Steps to transfer music from Honor to iPhone using phone transfer. Step 1. Connect both your Honor phone and iPhone to your computer using USB cables. Launch phone transfer, and it will automatically detect both devices. Step 2. On the Honor device interface, go to the Music section. Browse through your songs and select the tracks you want to transfer. Step 3. Click the Export to Device button and choose your iPhone as the destination. The software will begin transferring the selected music to your iPhone. Way 2. Share music from Honor to iPhone via Dropbox. Open Dropbox on Honor. Tap plus Send Copy of Files Transfer. Select songs to upload, then share the link to your iPhone. Open the link on iPhone to download. You can set expiration and password before downloading. Way 3. Transfer music from Honor to iPhone via email. On Honor, open Gmail Compose. Enter your iPhone email, attach songs, and send. On iPhone, open Gmail to download the music. Way 4. Send songs from Honor to iPhone via iTunes. On Honor, open Gmail Compose. Enter your iPhone email, attach songs, and send. On iPhone, open Gmail to download the music. Way 5. Move music from Honor to iPhone via Windows File Explorer. Connect Honor to PC, copy songs to a folder, open iTunes or Music, add the folder to Library, plug in iPhone, go to Music, check Sync Music, and click Apply.